right there, Goosey. Good job, pal.
You want to make him heel to the canoe? Oh, well, let's try it. Let's try it. Gustav, heel. Heel. Good boy. Heel. Good boy. Right there. Heel. Good boy. All right, now run. Go play. Go play. You see him heel? He heeled to the canoe. That's awesome.
Hi guys, Gustav here. Hey, I just wanted to let you know if you like this content and like watching me and my family, go ahead and subscribe. And also that I had nothing to do with that cat up there. That wasn't me. No, that cat was there before I got here. I'm telling the truth. Totally had nothing to do with me. He's probably part squirrel or something.